What do you see down there, girl? Howdy, folks. That's Big O. We're heading down here to the park. My dog's getting all excited again. She's behind my neck. I don't know if you can see that or not. Every time I turn the camera on to get her screaming, she stops. You think you're going to get to run? Is that a cat? Is that a cat? Huh? You see it? Huh? Where did it go? Well, the birds are out here today. Yeah. Looks like they've been out here doing something, digging in the dirt. Let's hope it's not all muddy. I really don't want to give you another shower. They've definitely been out here doing something. Look at all that dirt dug up. Are you ready? What do you say? What do you say? You want out? What do you say? Okay. Sit down. Go.